Okay, girlfriend. Par 5, 560.
ค่ะอันนี้ออกให้ลูกชายค่ะ
What a caddy.
โอ้นายตอนนี้หันอยู่เหนื่อยจังบ่อทรายวะที่ลุงเงินพูดแล้วเนาะ
Good shot, baby. Hey, come on, partner.
เบอร์ดี้10 บาท
Thank you.
Driver, I can reach the water on the right side, and that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. I mean, I just try to take the hazard out of play. I mean, 3 wood I still can reach, but like if I hit half swing, it's okay.
Nice shot. Spinning. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oi, oi.
Sharp.
In the hole, baby. Birdie. Birdie. Hey, yo! You dropped your lipstick, baby.
Accurate.
Like that.
อะไรวะ
What's wrong with you? How much?
139.
179. Almost 180, baby. Almost. Ahoy, my son, bird. Good shot, my son. Very tasty, baby. Tasty. How do you feel after you make an eagle?
Normal.
How does normal feel?
Normal feel normal. You don't understand someone hit it far, man. It's easy.
What do you mean?
Like when you hit it far, you have more chance of ego.
Are you saying you're hitting it long?
No, I just hit it longer than you.
That's true. Get in the hole, baby. Good shot. Birdie, baby. I thought you said you're getting stronger. I thought you're getting stronger.
That's my leg, not my hand.
Mo, back where he was brought up in the trees in the wilderness,
give you a tip, man.
What's your tip?
Don't be too strong, otherwise you're gonna hit the tree 330 yards away from you.
Damn. Is that 330, dog?
Yeah, 330 into the wind.
Into the breeze, baby. What are we seeing here? A hook?
I don't know, man. I'm just gonna try to hit a hook.
Okay.
If not a hook, it's gonna chunk it down around like
Okay.
30 yards.
What is that club?
50,
From how far?
28.
78 yards.
You remember the hook I hit in Lamuka? Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Oh, there's a red ant here. Feed up.
Good shot, Mo. Good shot, brother.
2 yards more, you're gonna run into the green, man.
That's optimistic.
Hey.
Hey, one more salapao. $175.
No, 181. Oh,
Spun all the way.
sorry.
You got to squat today, brother. Oh, jeez.
ไปซ้ายอะเนาะข้ามไปก่อนข้ามไปก่อน
ข้ามเนินไปพวกน่ะ
Great shot, baby. Oh, spinning like hell.